What's going on, y'all? Buttery Workshop back with another episode, and we're back at Burlington. It is raining outside, as you can see. So I'm recording my intro in the car, but we're gonna go into Burlington and try to find some hidden gems for the low. So let's go find them. You guys already know how I feel about Adidas sneakers with the flat tongue. Look at these Andre Saraiva Adidas Superstars with the little pink tips paws on the shoelaces here. Really like this vintage cream and ivory colorway. These are super tough. Here for $29.99. Look how clean these look on foot too. Ooh. Yeah. Listen, sneakers drop all the time. New sneakers are released, but gotta respect the OGs. So off the rip, we got these pure white Nike golf sneakers. Really dope sole with the plastic spikes. Here for $24.99. And just noticed that they also have that same pair but the alternate colorway, black and white. Is this the same pair or is it just slightly similar? It's a little bit different, so let's do a little comparison. This pair has sort of like a Roshi, whereas this one is a plain toe with the embossed or debossed Nike logo. Kind of prefer this design over this pair. Yeah, these are just a little bit cleaner in my eyes, but they're here for $19.99. Check out this Columbia National Soccer kit in the sort of classic colorway. Here for $16.99, right next to, looks like an alternate colorway. This kit is fire. Love that contrast with the red and almost like a Tiffany blue. Still got the classic flag color there. And here for $16.99. And right next to it, this is the best run of kits we found since coming to Burlington and documenting them. But this Mexico kit, whoo, this is fire. Gotta be $16.99, right? $19.99, but originally $65. Let's see what the original prices were on these two. Now that we know where the tag is, $90. So this is bigger savings. This $90 as well? Yeah, US $90. If you like football, go to Burlington. Make sure you go to Burlington because you do not want to miss out. Got these super highlighter bright orange / peach colored Nike swim trunks in here for $24.99. Originally $48, so roughly 50% off. I personally want to find a better deal, but not bad. Just when I thought we were done with the football kits, we've got this Germany jersey. Whew, Deutschland. In a size small. Here for $16.99. We got them all stacked here. Germany, Colombia, Germany. Red Sox t-shirts, Colombia. And I thought this might be a kit, but it's not. Just a generic jersey top, but yeah, for $7.99. It just keeps getting better. This time in the women's section, we've got a Liverpool kit. Look at that. With the little sleeve patches as well. Good embroidery. Originally $90. Here for $19.99. I know they're having a bit of a tough season, bit of a rough time, but this is a great kit. You never find Liverpool kits here. Okay, initially I was like, this store's kind of dead right now, but I keep finding little things that are like, oh wait, maybe I just need to dig a little bit deeper. Maybe I need to search a little bit further. Check out this Jordan flight suit. So if you're not familiar, this is like a full one piece. Let me see if I can unhook it just so y'all can see. Full body suit, commonly referred to as a Jordan flight suit. Here in the women's section, originally $140, but marked down to $29.99. I've never found one of these at Burlington before, and it's right in front of a Chelsea jersey. This is the best day we've had for kids. I cannot lie. Originally $70, here for $24.99. Maybe somebody in the back is able to identify these Premier League kits, and they're like, nah, we gotta put the price up on these a little bit, but don't find that or the Liverpool jersey here ever. So check your Burlingtons. Also in the women's section, we've got this Adidas Jumper. Love this print. Definitely stands out. Definitely a great piece here. Originally $70, but here at Burlington for $24.99. It's been a while since we put a jean jacket. Hey, stealing! It's been a while since we found a denim jacket, but just found this vintage black denim jacket, original trucker jacket, in the women's clearance section for $12.99. That is a steal. All right, y'all, I almost had a heart attack thinking that this Nike Olympic Tech Pack jumper was $3.49, but it's for this tank top. So we're gonna keep it moving, but if that was $3.49, oh, find of the year. All right, guys, I am not even gonna lie. I was a little shocked and surprised to find that many football kits. If you don't know, soccer jerseys, football kits, bit interchangeable. And from that point on, I think I started referring to sweatshirts as jumpers. You know, it's getting into my my UK bag, but definitely a pleasant surprise. I was super hyped to find all of those kits, even a few of my size. So, but as always, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you saw that you liked and you definitely would cop. Let me know what you saw you absolutely would not cop. Let me know if you saw anything in the background that I should have paid more attention to. And make sure you subscribe. We're on the road to 1K. Big giveaway you don't want to miss out. And as always, I'll see you on the next episode. I'm out. Peace.